and gentlemen, Danny Tolliver from Danny Tolliver Photography, and we're in the studio just testing out some equipment, getting ready for a trip to Jekyll Island, where we'll take lots of video, 360 video, drone video, regular camera shots, regular panoramic shots, the works. But the reason I'm here telling you this is because the DJI Osmo360 is an excellent camera. It's an excellent 3D camera. I have now connected my remote control watch to this camera. I have the DJI Mic Mini, which I'm recording on now, that you can hear my voice loud and clear. So I don't have to do any hand gestures, but the camera will do hand gestures where I can start and stop it. So watch these videos that I'm going to show you now. See you later.